There he is, Dino Master fans. You know him, you love him. The all-invincible Velociraptor. You all have looked at Velociraptor for many years now, and truth be told, to be honest, the way you guys have been looking at Velociraptor, you guys have been looking at it wrong. And truth be told, this is what an actual Velociraptor looks like. Well, not like in Jurassic World. In real life, Velociraptors have feathers. The ones in Jurassic World, well, Jurassic World's been using Megaraptors, not Velociraptors. Besides, the Velociraptors are the size of chickens. And these guys, these raptors, these are the actual deal. I saw them in Dinosaurs Alive, and well, they really captured him. And well, they kind of nailed it. Seeing Velociraptor in action, now that's more like it. Well, its original fossil finds were found in Asia. There we go. In any case, I feel like we have Velociraptor fossils in the American Museum of Natural History. That'd be something to look at. I mean, it is nice to look at after all. And much like most raptors, these animals have an actual toe claw. Much like all the other raptors I saw, like Deinonychus, Utahraptor, Dromaeosaur, Pyroraptor. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Anyway, there we go. Alexa, what is Velociraptor? Huh. She's not online right now. Oh, well, I'll get it next time. You can look at the info in the comments below. Here's the toe claw. Here's another one. Here are the feathers. And yes, I will be drawing Megaraptor one of these days in my episodes, just to show you and prove a point that Velociraptors were never shown in Jurassic World. And done. There he is. That is how you draw an actual Velociraptor from Dinosaurs Alive. Anyway, if you guys have any opinions on if this was a good idea to show you what an actual Velociraptor looks like, please let me know. And be sure to post a comment on which dinosaur you want me to draw next. And in the very near future, I will be there to post it for you. Anyway, I'll see you guys again the next time. And have a great year.